Happy Friday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase, and here's today's tip.
Today's video is a little different. I've been giving out some tips every day, but if you want to prep for one of our training classes, haven't used SOLIDWORKS in a while, and need a refresher, or just have a rather basic question about a tool, there's some pretty useful tutorials built into every installation of SOLIDWORKS. They cover just about everything from how to create a sketch and extrude it, to nonlinear analysis, topology optimization, and everything in between. They're pretty basic, and our training classes will definitely give you a better understanding, but they're a pretty great start and will help a ton with keeping up with the pace of our class. To access these tutorials, you just need to come up to the help button and select tutorials in the drop-down. A window will pop up where you can browse through all the tutorials offered. They tend to start with the simple ones and trend to the more difficult, but you can see a list of all of them at the very end. This last one here will take you to a whole new page that's just simulation tutorials. Again, they start simple and then get more and more complex as you go on. Once again, we highly recommend taking a look at these. They'll definitely make training classes run smoother, and you'll come out with a much better understanding than if you jumped in blind.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and have a great weekend.